Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing and review of this set of body and fender tools. This is a 7-piece set that I purchased from Northern Tool and Equipment. This was $25 on discount, and I thought it is a good set to have because sometimes you have things that you want to, of course this was meant for cars, designed and manufactured for car repairs, you know, the body of the car, but it can be, you know, worked or used for many other applications, metal related. Like I can think of sometimes toolboxes that are made out of metal. They can get bent and stuff like that. You can use this to bend them back in place and fix them. Of course the paint will get scratched and stuff, but if it's a small dent and you can put a piece of cloth or something in between, maybe the paint will still be fine. Anyhow, I turned the light off because the shrink wrap is very reflective. I'm gonna remove it and turn the lights back on. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back. Give me a second, let me turn the light on. There we go. There we go. Still reflective, but it's alright. Let me just hold it like this. Well, let me turn the light back off. We don't want to have too much reflection. This paper is too glossy. Alright, so it says heat treated drop forged steel dolly and hammer head construction, polished for durability, fiberglass handle construction with non-slip rubberized comfort grip, and includes 1 each low crown cross chisel hammer, high crown pick hammer, shrinking hammer, general purpose dolly, double end dolly, wedge dolly, heel dolly, and a storage case. I'm guessing these are the dolly. I'm not sure, but the item number, by the way, is 101449. If you type that into the search box at Northern Tool, you will see it available. The case is black. In the pictures of the listing it was gray. That doesn't matter, just worth noting. Put this down. Same information on the back. So no information about warranty. Okay. So the sticker is upside down. Should have been switched. There's no sticker on this side. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, the sticker is upside down. Come on, it should have been looked at. And anyway, turn this on. Turn this on. There's the sets. Oh, it is cracked here in the inside. Alright, so there is the hammer set. There is this piece. It's fallen out of its spot. Well, let me do it this way. There we go. Alright, so there is the hammers. They have nice handle. They look really good. Okay, that's one of them. There is the other one. It is this sort of square on one side, and looks like a chisel on one side. And this other one is round on one side and pointing tip on this other side. Okay, and you get these 3 pieces of metal. I'm assuming you hold this in your hand and you put it behind the plate you're trying to fix, and you use one of these to tap on the metal and get it straight in the one you like it. So there is this other style, I guess they call it dolly. There's this other style, and there's this one, and there is this round one. Well, it's not round, I guess you hold it like that and you tap. Okay, there's the 4 shapes. Alright, this hammer may be the most versatile because it has both of these ends in one. So there is this round side and there is the square side, and they just made up a third hammer. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This was a quick overview of this body repair set from Northern Tool. This was $25. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video with me, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much. Bye bye.